We get a lot of bugs out here, so I like to use these Harris bug traps. This one here is for spiders, and it also gets scorpions, so you can see all the different spiders there and scorpions that it will get. The way these work is they're a sticky trap. You get 2 of these in the box. I got one of them set up here. You can see it all set up there. This is an old one that we had set up, and one issue that we've had with them is our robot vacuum ran it over. If the robot vacuum hits it this way, it'll be fine. But if the robot vacuum hits it this way, it'll squish it down. So you can see it squished it down there, so we need to replace it. But see, it's got some spiders in there, so it's got some bugs and stuff, so it definitely did its job. But they say after 90 days and you should replace them. This one's got like some hair and stuff on it, so it's not as sticky. But if it collapses like that and gets stuck, then you're not going to be able to unstick it. If your pets or your kids or whatever do grab it and they get it stuck to them, it says you can use vegetable oil to remove the sticky there, so you can get your pets or your kids out of the trap. You get 2 of these in the pack. The way you set these up, because you saw what happened when the robot vacuum squished it, in order to prevent that happening when you set it up, it's got a cover on here for the adhesive, but before you peel that off, fold this over like this, and then pre-test it here. Push this in as well, and then so you get it all assembled like that, so then you know you're good to go. And now you can peel off your sticky here. You just peel off your sticky cover, and now carefully fold this over, because if you push it down and get it stuck on there, then it won't work anymore. It'll be like this one that the robot vacuum ran over. So now we got 2 new ones all set up here, and we're all ready to go. It says here that these are used by professionals for commercial and residential use. So these things are great traps. They got a really good sticky on them, and they're really easy to use. You can just put these under your bed or by the entry door or whatever, but just remember, if you have a robot vacuum, you'll have to check on it. Like I said, if it hits it this way, you'll be fine, but if it hits it this way, it can squish it down. But other than that, these are great little traps, and they're a great way to keep the bugs and stuff out of your house or out of your bed. All right, there you go. There's the Harris sticky traps.